Okay, it's compiled. There's something wrong with, I guess, Zoom only because I crashed Zoom, so it compiled instantly. So there's something wrong with Zoom, I guess. Okay, so now it created all this thing automatically, auto blend everything. You can see it. Now, wherever you don't want this graph, like first generating all this area, I'll go to paint, and suppose I want only rock or only grass will compile. Only rock, it compile both the things. And you have added displacement. So let's see. Uh, this particular map doesn't have displacement. Okay, I check displacement. This with bridge, it's there. I have to import it. Okay, that particular texture is not there. Surface rock. Where is that rock? I guess this one. Go to file. It kind of looks this one only. So I'll just simply import displacement map. Let's connect displacement. Why I have three here? Last and this. So rock, rock, connected. A is rock and this rock is rock. But this is not rock. Something wrong I did here. A is rock, A is rock, and connected to land. And auto blend connected to first one. Because this one is the first one. So this not required. Ah,
Sir, Divya is asking for permission to get into the
oh,
class.
okay. So now the setting is correct. It's still complete. So now I'll just connect displacement to this. So I have this displacement. The rock and this thing should tile together. So connect this to displacement also. So to displace anything, I need to have a multiply, and then connect this to A, the amount of displacement, correct? Displacement default
Sir,
by,
I had not added this.
huh?
Multiplier नहीं add किया था मैंने.
But multiplier लगाना पड़ेगा ना, otherwise you cannot control displacement. The
Okay.
amount of displacement you need to add a controller, and after that, so this won't create, will not act properly. You need to add one more multiplier, connect to B or A, anything. Then you have to connect a vertex normal WS, this one. So this will control the displacement and connect it to world displacement. It's deactivated. Go to
Sir,
tessellation.
I can edit it to world position offset.
No, no, this is displacement. This is not offset.
Okay.
Displacement is for displacement, right? Like it's straightforward. World position offset is for wind effect and all, like for offsetting something like movement and anything else. And make sure switch on crack free displacement. This is very important. You can choose any one of them, PN triangles or tessellation, but make sure select crack free displacement, otherwise it won't work properly. Now it's activated, right click, promote to tessellation also. Without tessellation it won't work. Now rest is done. It's completely like okay. And but you can see I added this thing directly to displacement, but it won't work properly. Reason, it will affect the entire landscape. Here we have blend, so here also I need to add a blend. Control W, and my rock is connected to layer rock, and these two are empty. So what I can do, I can create a, press 1 and left mouse button, you can create a uh, constant, and value is 0. That means there is no input for these two layer. Only and only rock layer is active. Okay. Like wherever rock is visible, only that section will have displacement. Just everything it won't work.
Mm.
So let's save it. I don't know, suddenly today is working very, it's really slow. Now it started to compile. So much time.
So can you show the displacement part of the map here?
Like displacement multiply to control displacement and one vertex normal to generate it properly. Otherwise, it will generate randomly. It won't work properly. And I wanted to generate the vertex norm this thing based on the shape of the mesh, right? So in the, whichever direction it is, based on that. So this is like you need to connect this. Otherwise, it won't work.
Okay. And sir, layer blend में बाकी दोनों layers में आपने क्या ऐड किया है?
Which means just like a zero constant, like so there's no input.
Sir, how do we get that?
1 plus left mouse button.
Okay.
Or what is wrong? Why it's not compiling? I'm just redoing it. For alpha, it is alpha only. Should work now. I don't know, there's something wrong. It's like it's taking so much time. I don't know, it should compile. What is going on? Okay, by the time Uday sent me update. Okay, so for this waterfall,
Yes, sir.
this waterfall doesn't look very nice. So we need to change this. You have that water this project. If you go, yes. So it's compiling only. I don't know what it's doing. Why it's so slow?
So it's compiling 500 shaders.
But why it's so slow? I don't understand.
So it could be because of Zoom.
Like previously crashed Zoom, it worked like instantly. It compiled. Now it's compiling. I can see it's working. So okay, there is a water project. In that you have a very nice waterfall. Everything is super slow. So there is a water material in Unreal Marketplace is there. You can use this water material to create that waterfall, and plus that those like splashes and all. This have all these splashes plus the water material, this foggy thing, and this like all these things are there already there.
Okay.
So you can use this one. This will give you better result. Because right now I can see it looks very like you can see it looks like a flat plane with some kind of texture.
Yes, sir.
You sent me a project file, or what is this? You sent me a
That is just max file.
oh Max file. If possible, you can send me a project file so that I can like show you what to do on that.
Okay, sir.
Or like just migrate your. Do not send me the entire project. Just migrate it. You know, right, how to migrate this thing. Like go to your project wherever you have. Like wherever you have a project, the level, don't select the folder, select the level, and level whatever. If you have built anything lighting or something, there will be a build data. Select both of them, right click. There's a asset action, and there is an option called migrate. So migrate it and create a new folder on desktop or anywhere, and migrate it there. It will give you a show you this thing, like what do you call it, it will show you like it's not a this thing game folder or something, but no need to worry. Some just okay, click OK, just click this save, don't save. It will show you the each, and it will export all the assets connected to that particular level with just that, nothing else. So I don't want everything, I just need only this. So whatever is you are using in that particular level, click OK and create a folder. Okay, and just select folder. It will show you this message. Like this is not a game folder, content folder. So don't worry about that. Just press yes. It will export only and only things used in this particular level. And it will show with all the folder structure, everything, and send me that folder. Just that.
Okay, sir.
So it will, because otherwise your project must be like 1 GB, 1 point some GB. But this will become, let's see if I go desktop. This is again 1 point something GB. So because I am using a lot of assets there, so it will show you like whatever you have used in that particular scene, it will show that. Then you just send me this folder. That's it.
Okay.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm using the ocean asset from the water.
Okay.
So, sir, but like the thing is, in my landscape, I have a kind of a river kind of thing which is connecting like connecting into the ocean. So,
Hmm.
how do I create that custom river thing?
Custom what? River. So river thing
हाँ
is
हाँ सर,
this, na?
like वो landscape में I have given like a spacing for the water to go in through.
Hmm.
So like I want water in that portion only.
So you have to use ocean plus a river. You have to use both the things. Ocean will
Sir,
fill the entire section, then create a river.
हाँ sir, how do I do that? I don't know which one to use in that. So like कौन सा plugin use करना है, क्या use करना है, समझ में नहीं आ
Water
रहा था।
plugin use करना है ना, it's there ना already. If you go
सर
search,
बहुत सारा है, like water body custom, water extrusion volume, like a lot of it.
no,
Which one?
like you need to use ocean and your this thing river. That's it. Ocean and river.
Okay, sir.
Ocean for ocean or river for river. But right now I haven't switched on my like layer thing, so if I try to use it also, it won't work. You see, it won't work, it won't create anything, because for this you need to switch on your layer when you are creating this thing. This thing. So it will basically create this layer info. Like if you go to landscape and manage, if you click new, enable edit layer, this one you need to switch on, otherwise
sir, I have given that, sir.
otherwise the water thing is it won't work. So I just like switched on from here. I'm not sure it will work or not. Let's see. Now I have this water. I think it won't